ner malaka nyam biya ka malka no TV te kon kaler mujidin mi kon linga jan wasame amen bana writing ka jan lara me de nyon yere ge da ne chito kallo ngashuk ate ka warga misha gor wasame ka changa jan dangra wire kel ka paidi ron kin dangra jan dangra wire de ate ka misha la da wona ne waze da ne shi de ni SSPDF bala South Sudan People Defense Force me chi ga chup re wi kallo ngashuk waken te ka kwakti jikan kanang ala kwaktin content la kwak hali ko shi jigoje ne shi gen me shi de SSPDF cheben ga jomo cha gor gwaze me ken ne ko nin te gallo ngashuk gwade da ne shi ke toktin ken ka gwaze da ne shi civilian me shi gorian barai which me shi na pot gwade da ne shi SSPDF chi bare which wa ken kerin ka kwaken kel chikan kwaken jikan ga ban pin chet ka hal ni bel matab ni kol dial re which ko ngashuk ken jikan ga ban pin tel mi kan ren kaje an gwasmo kanana akanete la organization shall ke UNWFP awate ka gwad ala jante ke all ke gwadan la kwan la kala tin chika bele kon la kap ke jewich no ko jena NGO wachi SSPDF shika worede kan matabin diala content ray which kwag diala content ray which ala kwan tin kwala cham civilian ray wikalungo shuk washi kan kan dial wachi kan kanang ke pick up ni to shop ka bangwan ke land cruiser kel ke truck kel wachi kan nang ka gul guk ke ne paloch wa ko dial content ray gwade dan shali ci gurin batan wachi kan nang kan dial no awana me karwade wachi chonko de kwag organization ka de kan nang awa men dul wala tere wi ka lungu shuk wacha walga dial wacha kan nang GSPL my IG chawraje mo chaje kwen ke wargame so wargame be ko dong de je gorno de je kwen ya kata dan sha gor ke je wa ci jiwich ci lodin ce je ga long kata dan shalat SSPDF ka shobdi re wi ke lungu shuko shi ka kwak ken kanan okay kenene a praise statement to condemn the looting of properties and drug supplied at Longechuk County headquarters Matiang. On 21st May 2025, SSPDF carried out widespread of looting of civilian properties, NGOs properties, and drug supplies in Longechuk County headquarters, Matiang, at watchful eyes of the SPLMIG commissioner. Wagwade dane kwalka kwag dialotin to commissioner wate in commissioner danen me man pai kwany. Okay, kadobra na chalat keje. In addition to looting civilian property such as clothing, bed, food items, utensils, and many valuable items, SSPDF also broke into UNWFP, robbed all, and looted relief meant to be distributed to vulnerable people. Alaniden content telami tuoka kere which ala kwandial wal dial kon la kula kamga ke no tinte ke ala kwag UN wa shaka nanka dial SSPDF. The looted food, drug, supplies, and equipment and civilian properties were loaded into 9 pickup trucks and 1 land cruiser and were taken to Gulguk and Paloch. The looting of civilian properties as well as NGOs supplies and equipment carried out by SSPDF with approval of senior SSPDF officer and SPLMIG commissioner constitute war crime and crime against humanity under international law. So what reality ka teacher nang ken kwag dialasya nang ke me hal ni re which matap ni lang rebni tin kon kunale la toy ka kere wi ko chinar bar ko ci decheben and instead of dong de kan gor bu ji chol ci kan nang ga kwa to ci galar gwaza menen ram gor warga me CDE dak 2 day so dio jen former commissioner and county chairperson of SPLMIO metle re wi ka lungoshuk mobile office I strongly condemn this barbaric act in the strongest term possible, and I call upon the international community to take cognizance of genocidal expansion of the Juba regime in Longechuk County. I call upon the SPLMIG commissioner who entered into Matiang forcefully to hold the perpetrator accountable and ensure the looted properties and return it to their rightful owner, including those of NGOs. CDA Dak Tude, Commissioner and County Chairperson of SPLMIO, Longechuk County Mobile Office. warga misha gora Ramadan and shalke dak 2 day je Ramadan la commissioner men chiro do kula bare which ko shi wude pai bene she weche je kep ka bom ala she Longechuk she kep ka bom so jen warga shi aneno instead of dong the SSPDF they can go to big and in contin lan wari kon in jig there which they can kwaki and they can ke spare ke they can kapal ko mishi lunjok they can kwato they can nang chu kan nang ne ke truck ne ken ke to bil ken mi mo shi chuong and me ke reality mu na ga to chi chuong na mo so jo me jen jo dan shala dum gor de nyaa yekel mitika comment ko drop gasmo me gwe jen wo mishala de ka chi to please drop your comment ko an warga che kwen la dak 2 day jen jo dan go de nyaa yekel ci te pero jeno jin bi name bi jen nyaa ne ko ken ke bi channel bi support Nuer TV. This is Chan Kosniak. Bye bye.